And we're back here in the Phil Sports Arena and I am now with Coach Francis Vicente. Coach, gusto ko lang malaman, what do you think worked for you yung kumpara dun sa first set and then now na nanalo na kayo?
Yung first set namin kasi parang kinakapa ko pa yung mga bata kasi we have only 1 week on practice together. No, so kinakapa ko sila. So tinitingnan ko which person yung pwedeng mag-gel sa team ng mabilis. So this time, nag-work naman yon, nag-usap naman sila sa loob. So naging maganda naman yung resulta. Siguro, itong third set, maybe we have the same thing na ilalagay na tao. Titingnan natin sino naman na mag-work dun sa third set.
Alright, sige po. Thank you, Coach. And back to you, Noel and Ann.
Thank you very much. Denise Tan, of course, with Francis Vicente. So this looks like it's going to be a long, drawn-out game. But the nice thing about that last huddle where Denise was actually talking to Francis Vicente, the huddle was still going on. So there's a lot of coaches for both teams helping out. It's a great thing. So we are now into our third set. Once again, Noel Zaratel alongside Andre Mulya and Denise Tan. Opening day of the Philippine Superliga, the first club championship in the Philippines.
What makes the game even more exciting is the fact that both teams have won 1 set apiece, meaning they're on an even playing field. So this third set is very crucial. If I were either of the teams, I'd want to get this one and, you know, get ahead of the other.
Yeah, but the thing is, of course, the reception still hasn't been pretty for both teams as of now. We kept on talking about the libero matchup. Actually, the liberos are still struggling in this game, although Sher Peñano picked it up a bit in set number 2, but they still lost that set. So let's see what happens here in the third set. Here's May Makatuno on the setup now for Angela Benting. Denied there by Paneng Mercado and denied by the net many times.
But they tried.
Yeah.
Just not enough.
So the first point now belongs to, where's my código? The Puffins.
Gotta get used to
The
PLDT
Speed Boosters. That's right.
And the Bingo Millionario Puffins.
Dawis into the net.
That was a bit too slow on that attempt. Actually, she was on her way down. The ball was on her way down, so there was no way the ball was going to go through.
And again, that's just the adjustment now. May Makatuno from Adamson setting to Luzette Dawis of UE.
It's different, eh. Of course, if you have a different setter, the timing is different, the height of the set is different.
Dawis gets a better set this time, but a great dig by Michelle Gumabao. Across now from Jose. Here is Angela Benting. Denied by Mikmik, and she scores. Offensive blocking 101 from Mikmik Laborte.
What's nice about looking at the block of Laborte, you see the force of her bringing that ball all the way to the back.
And she just moved her arms.
May pitik eh. She's trying to bring it there because nobody was there.
Makatuno. That is a violation of overreaching. Or this is a 4-0
I think, because she's a backliner.
Yeah. So 4-0, good start here for Bingo Millonario in the third set. And as I say that, Iris Patrona with a service error.
That always happens, right?
Yeah, well.
Whenever we see...
It's like in basketball. Somebody's taking free throws, say this guy's perfect from the line, and then he misses.
We jinx it all the time.
Let's just say, all right. Wena Eulalio's been serving well today. Doesn't work. If you're conscious about it, usually doesn't happen. Oh, but that time, Iris Patrona, you know, Iris Patrona is schooling the youngsters of PLDT My DSL.
This is how you do it, and in that case, she got that point from a back row attack.
5-1 in favor of the Puffins of Bingo Millonario. April Lenore Jose barely gets that one across. Makatuno back set, Angela Benting. Dug up by Jose. Gumabao on the setup for Paneng Mercado. Kept alive there by Angela Benting. Luzette Dawis on the adjustment. Sher Peñano. Mercado. Gata Pantone. Makatuno. Benting off the block. Patrona still is there. Mercado. Turned back by the net. 4 touches against Bingo Millonario. This season is very, very consistent with that ball.
And they're so escaping that. I mean, they have the best view right where they are.
Of course, our first referee is Philip Season, second referee Efren Ga, international referees. Sharp serve there by Benting. So sharp that Patrona could not handle it.
And this brings us back to our point earlier. The service reception is really making things a lot difficult here for the Puffins.
And the Puffins are huffing and puffins right now. Couldn't help it, I'm sorry. Here's the running attack.
I knew
Laborde
it would
again.
come at some point in this game.
Well, they're not yet tired. Well, apparently Mikmik isn't yet. Micah Morada will check back into the game, replacing Paneng Mercado. Mikmik Laborde, whose older brother John Lier Laborde used to be a professional basketball player.
So it really runs in the family,
Right.
you know, a family of athletes.
She actually does have a younger sister who's a libero.
Yes, that's right.
We were able to meet her before. But that serve by Mikmik goes long. 6-4. Maria Lucette Dawis. Putting it in play. Peñano. Jose.
All
Double
this
attack. Yes.
communication.
Remulla and Morada jumping at the same time, and then PLDT MyDSL makes them pay with Pao Soriano scoring. That's the problem when you sort of like look at each other and say, I'm sorry. The ball's already there at the other side.
And I think in this case, it's just a matter of, you know, really shouting who should get that ball.
Nice serve there by Dawis. Here's Michelle Gumabao now. Dug up there by Liz Nigata Pantone. Still alive. Makatuno now. Quick set. Pao Soriano off the block. Here's Jose. Too near the net for her former teammate, Micah Morada. That seldom happened when they were in FEU. They were usually the 1-2 connection. But we are now tied at 6. So Bingo Millonario, despite having that tremendous start,
Well, you know, looking at them and how they are disorganized at this point would really make it difficult.
Dawis has been serving well as well. Here's Ivy Remulla. Long again, and now the lead goes to PLDT MyDSL. This was a 4-0 start.
And, you know, a lot of errors, a lot of miscommunication also happening on the floor. Not helping them.
And Lucette Dawis will put it in play once again. Peñano, Jose. Gumabao denied by Vargas, and Vargas will get that point. So after a 4-0 start for Bingo Millonario, it is an 8-6 lead now for PLDT MyDSL. So what is happening here? And before you answer that question, let's listen to Ronald Dulay.
Opener to, utility to. So, huwag mong paganin. Ha? Oh, dalawa lang ang lamang natin. Dalawa lang ang lamang nila. Okay? Huwag nating pahabain. Okay? Diskartihan mo kung saan ka makakatake.
7-8 agad yan. Patayin nyo agad.
Let's go.
Let's go. Para tayo lumayo. Let's go. Power!
That was Mikmik, right?
Yes.